Question 1. What is Grav? Answer. Grav is a flat file-based content management system which doesn't use database to store the content. Instead it uses text file, .txt, or Markdown, MD, file to store the content. Question 2. Why to use Grav? Answer. Grav is a new type of fastest flat file content management system which is easier to publish and manage content. It allows developer to handle content very easily by storing content in files, such as text or Markdown files, rather than in database. If you want to build simple, manageable and quick site, it's better to select the Grav flat file CMS. It costs less than the database-driven CMS and is useful with I/O for file handling, when you don't have enough resources to handle database. Question 3. List out some features of Grav. Answer. The features of Grav are: it is fast, easy and powerful flat file web platform. It is used to build website with no extra tools or HTML knowledge. It uses text file or Markdown file to store the content. It doesn't use database, so it eliminates the cause of bottlenecking. It uses PHP-based template provided by Twig which is passed directly into PHP that makes it fast. Question 4. What are disadvantages of Grav? Answer. The disadvantages of Grav are: sometimes unauthorized users may access your content from the files directly as there is no database for the file. It is difficult to build complex websites using Grav's CMS. Question 5. Mention the types of pages. Answer. Grav Pages supports 3 types of pages: standard page, listing page, modular page. Question 6. What is Grav Markdown syntax? Answer. Markdown syntax is defined as writing plain text in an easy-to-read and easy-to-write format, which is later converted into HTML code. Symbols like asterisk or are used in Markdown syntax. These symbols are used to bold, creating headers and organize your content. Question 7. Mention the benefits of using Markdown syntax. Answer. The benefits of using Markdown syntax are: it is easy to learn and has minimum characters. When you use Markdown there are very few chances of having errors. Valid XHTML output. Your content and visual display is kept separate so that it does not affect your website look. You can use any text editor or Markdown application. Question 8. What is emphasis in Grav? Answer. Emphasis is the writing formats in Markdown syntax that are used to bold, italicize or strike through. Bold text can be made bold using 2 asterisk signs at either side of the text. Italics use underscores sign at either sides of the word to italicize the text. Strike through use 2 tildes on either side of the word to strike through the word. Question 9. Mention the 4 types of page linking used in the content. Answer. There are 4 types of links used in the content are: slug, relative, directory, relative, absolute, remote. Question 10. What is Grav Modular Pages? Answer. Modular Pages enables to create a single page from its child pages. It is used to set as non-routable because they cannot be reached directly through an URL. They are identified by underscore before the folder name. It is a collection of pages that are displayed one above each to get a single page. Question 11. What is Grav Twig filters and functions? Answer. Filters are used to format the data the way you want an output. Functions are used to generate content. Twig templates are text files that contain expressions and variables replaced by values. Question 12. Mention the 3 types of tags used by Twig. Answer. Twig uses 3 types of tags, i.e., output tags, action tags, comment tags. Question 13. Mention the options to pass array of assets for CSS. Answer. There are few options to pass array of assets for CSS. Priority. It takes an integer value and default value will be 100. Pipeline. When an asset is not included in pipeline, it sets to false value, and the default value is set to true. Question 14. What are named assets? Answer. Grav allows you to register a collection of CSS and JS assets with a name, so that you can use add assets to Asset Manager by using the registered name. This can be accomplished in Grav by using a feature called named asset. These custom collections are defined in System YAML, so that it can be used by any theme or plugin. Question 15. What are grouped assets? Answer. Grouped assets allows you to pass options array consisting of optional group while adding asset. This feature is very useful when you need some JS files or inline JS at specific part of the page.